In the US, you can legally drive without doors, but one mistake with this tiny light, that's a traffic ticket. Most people don't know this, but side marker lights burn out faster than you'd expect. Today, we're fixing the 2025 Porsche Macan S side marker in under 5 minutes. Turn the wheel inward for access. Remove 2 T25 screws from the top, that's all you need. To give you a better look inside, we are going to remove all the screws. Press the clip inside the fender and the side marker pops right out. Twist the lamp counterclockwise to remove the bulb. I'm upgrading to DAMA ECO 194 T10 LED bulbs with canvas. They're plug-and-play, error-free, and last way longer than incandescent bulbs. You can simply plug the LED bulb into the socket. Test it out before you put everything back. Bright white LED inside, but through the amber lens. Clean, pure amber. Visit HIDconcept.com and search DAMA ECO for more details.
Visit HIDconcept.com. Lighting the road ahead.